Feel like that rock next go my way. Okay. Another one. See us already fucking fired. You want that? No, you just put this bomb on. Hey, nice thing. I'll grab another one. Got me stuff on still, man. Yeah. Oh, I thought I walked. Yeah, I thought I was walking down. Yeah. That's good. You want me to try another one of these rocks, maybe? Yeah, I don't know what to turn, but backside? Backside, okay. Oh, shit. Yeah. I forgot how tall this is. Well, I mean, we only got to pick it up. It's not that far, right? No, we're going to get it all the way about validation. Oh, we got to pull it off. Yeah, got it a bunch of left line. I don't know how I. No, like we're taking the whole pipe out. Oh, wow. Hey, you got a workbench inside now. Right. Did I take a look? Nope. Yeah. Great. Yeah. Shit, they got going on, huh? All of it. Oh, God.
Hey-o.
Hey, done yet?
Yes, sir.
It's like after 4 o'clock already.
Yes, sir, I've seen that. Oh, yeah. Is that good?
Yeah,
Good enough. Brother, what you did?
I'll get that.
You get that?
Here.
There you go. Oh, you're okay. Okay.
There we go, one over.
The thing on the thing. The cavity cap on the keeper capper.
We'll get that inside. This is garbage. Oh, hey.
Hey.
Hold on, we put that on there.
Okay. Man, it's not like I have any nuts to tighten down with or anything.
You don't need nuts.
Oh, is it threaded already? Threaded. That's threaded. That's threaded?
Oh,
Oh.
I forgot to change the bottom ring. Sorry, my bad.
Oh, no. Wait, what do you mean change bottom ring? You did change bottom ring. Oh. Okay. Yeah, that's something deep then.
Okay, sorry, hold on. I understand what you're saying now.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Voice crack much?
My bad. So sorry, I totally understand. Okay, hold on. That's cool, buddy. Oh, baby.
Oh, baby, the triple.
Yo.
Yo. Yo.
Is that what you were talking about right now?
Indeed, I sure was. Indeed, I sure enough was, sir. We'll just take this shitty hardware and, not put back on.
Tell me all the bolts. I'll keep you doing that with my end up.
Oh, come on, that's perfect.
Perfect for somebody else. You don't hear me.
Wait. Bitch. There you go. Let's go. Oh, no. We're done yet? Yep.
All right, step in there. Okay. So, survey. Your input wires here. Your pump cables here.
Okay.
Your plumbing. Oh, back there. So, visualize easy access for wire, plumbing, blah, blah, blah. So what I would do is I would stick my tank right here.
Mm-hmm.
Tank T facing this way.
Tank facing this way.
Yep. Then you can just come out of that piece of pipe right there, down and in, and then just stub out with a valve, and then they can take it and bring it right through here for their water treatment here. Electrical, you go right into the switch. Then we can bring another piece right back out into a control box to the mount right there. This wire fold up into the bottom of the control box. Bingo bango.
So how in the world are they going to drywall this with all this shit in here?
They're not.
Oh, they're
The
not?
closet, some of the steps.
Oh.
He was talking about drywalling all of this out here
Oh, gotcha.
in case we had to pull the stud out and the tank in there.
Gotcha. Okay.
But if we would have done that, if the tank went bad, we'd have to rip out a wall to replace the tank.
Yep.
Instead of getting one that actually fits through that opening right there.
Yep. It looks like they brought it back forward though,
I don't think so. We'll get the tank in there.
because it was like a lot less of a gap there.
We'll get it in there.
Sure.
Go back to Brookville.
So you teaching? That's what you train.
You ain't got to snap it off in the thing now.
Oh, no. Like, the freaking wrench won't, yeah, it won't get towards right over there.
65 bucket nuggets.
65 of them? Thought I had 75 of them. 75 of the Douglas stuff. Douglas Nuggets. Correct me if I'm wrong, but no pipe dope on the gauge, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna dump all that.
Okay.
Get out of there. Get. This right here might just be enough pipe.
960. Oh, hey. Thank you.
That's the thing. I know I got it all out.
I know I did. Okay, that's that. And this goes. Is that supposed to be? Is that supposed to be like that? Yep. Okay. No. Yeah. Do it to the other side.
Yeah, because this side's going to be closer. Yeah, toward the wall.
Yeah, I was gonna say put the.
And then when you put your boiler drain in, please don't do like every other idiot I've seen and point it straight down toward the floor.
No.
Turn it out.
Yeah, pointed out 90. Pointed out 90. That's what I've noticed on all of them. These are all pointed out 90.
Need. Ow. Ow.
Hey man, that hurts.
Two of these. One of these. That.
These nuts. Oh, well. Got him.
I'm going to leave everything in the video that you're seeing.
Sure. It's your YouTube channel, man.
And then I'm going to send it directly to your mom.
Oh, she already knows I got a potty mouth. She already knows. That's why I got a tattoo that says Mama tried.
Mom tried.
Yeah.
Mom tried to fail.
She didn't fail, but she definitely didn't raise the person that says, oh shoot! Oh darn!
Dag nabbit.
Dag nabbit!
Oh my God. Didn't know me.
But honestly, that was more from my
Sweet,
dad's.
thank goodness.
Thank goodness.
Next thing I need to tell you is how to start stocking the truck. No idea.
How did we get here? Dementia, taking over. Get on there. Thank you. Love you so much. Get on there. Thank you. Love you. Handle Witcher. Alright, that's good. It's done. Great grand. Okay, cool. Yeah, sweet. I love it. Oh, does it? Okay, cool. Thanks. Thanks for letting me know.
I mean, in theory, it would be great because if it blows off to tell you that you have a problem,
Yeah, I mean, you're gonna
you're
know
going to know about it, yeah. Yeah, we really like to have those points toward the door.
about it.
Look back. Stick that in the far side of it. Oh, I'm sorry. Wait, this one. Toward the wall. This one.
For the wall?
Yes. I think you got enough room to get that on there.
I do what?
I think you got enough room to get that on there.
I believe so. I believe I do.
Yes, I do.
I believe I can. I believe I can.
Alright, and then I had another one I have to go on the other side. That big adjustable fix there.
Sweet. Where's?
Big adjustable fix there.
I mean, that's adjustable.
Right in front of your face. On the bumper.
Good God. I think it wasn't a snake.
Or spider.
Or a spider.
Or a spider, I'd seen it.
Yeah, if it was a spider, I would have seen it. I would have seen that shit. Make sure to put the valve facing downward, right?
I mean, if you want to, it don't matter. I'm serious.
Actually?
Go ahead, put it down.
Hold on.
Hurry up. You got it down yet?
You got it?
I'll put it down. That was the point I was trying to get in.
He said, oh, it's one of those things. Just
I love that.
yeah, just wee woo.
Wee woo.
Yeah, what are you doing? Leave it alone. Don't touch it. Hold on. Ooh. Jeez, man. Can't believe it. Hello?
Why are you on?
Microwave? I was going to say, I thought we threw that thing away.
Yeah, don't hammer down on too much. If you ever tighten, I'm going to split the tank in and start leaking.
Ooh, yeah. Let's not do that.
That's a real pain in the ass.
Yeah, let's not do that.
Yeah, I always take this.
Put it upside down.
Hey, put it outside. Oh, we don't cut top of it? I mean, good. This is what I do, man.
I do.
Cutting pretty good. Could be a cut man.
Yeah, for a knife with a tip on it.
I don't know.
I don't know it.
Oh, what do you mean? You said, here, Mark, here's this one. I said, okay, I said, no problem.
No, it actually gave me a reason to go to work tomorrow and
I've been in for 15 years, I never broke tip on. Alright, definitely does that.
no. Yes. No way. Wee. Oh God, don't get it in the pipe, stupid.
No, I want to push that. It'll be set up for whatever runs through the system I have now.
White balancer. Okay. I'm trying to remember which ranch to use on. I remember.
Not that one.
Oh, so I don't remember.
He's like, perfect, in there, let's go.
All right, let's go. All right, well, great, tight. Good enough.
That one, and this one. And make sure you stay on the hex and don't get on the copper pipe because you'll crush it. You can't go get that. Use the hex so you don't crush it. I just said hex, not pipe. Nope, get on the hex.
I'm trying, man. Give me a minute. I'm slow.
Back on the slow. Are you sure you do it that way or flip it back upside down?
Well,
You said no.
okay. Quite easy. Oh, hey, there's a thing there.
Oh, please tell me. Oh, no, I missed it.
Yes.
No, man, I missed it.
Damn. We got good quarters here.
That sucks.
All right. I thought you need to get this.
I feel like it's pretty tight.
Yeah.
Now, I'm all in. Straight, level. No. Go one more.
Yeah, we can try. Oh, yeah.
Perfect. Right,
Right there. Right there.
It's like, that's great. So, thank you.
Look, we get more out of that. Looks good from here. Yo, look from here. Now.
Lost everything, isn't it?
Come on, it's all over me. Yep, I'm good. It's good. It's good. It's green, green. Magnets. What do you think? Look good? Great green? Great green.
Got my part. Standing it up. Soup. Missed.
Right. Hey. What? Oh. I thought we were taking it in there.
He's like, I got a buggy for that, bro.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
All right, 2 more things we got to do. We're just cruising into the house. What are they?
Still there. Or check air pressure.
Yeah.
And
Eric's going to be mad if you forget this one.
stick on it. I think I need to tighten that. Yeah, I need to tighten
Tighten
that.
what?
It's crooked. It's gonna bother me. Yeah, it's crooked.
What, switch?
Yeah.
I'm just not that bad.
It's pretty crooked.
I'll fix it.
Damn it! Wrong wrench! It's the 3/4 one. It's the 3/4 flavor. Yes, that's what I like. That's what I like. Sticker in my door. Yep.
So what's the air compressor? Wait. Excuse me, pardon me.
Pardon me, excuse me.
Hey, let me help you out right away. Ah, yeah, perfect.
See, that's worked out. It's perfect. How much?
Oh, wow.
Not perfect.
Not perfect.
Hey, it's reading 0.
Probably I'll put on that. That's why you always check a brand new tank.
Damn, too much.
Haha.
37.5. Okay. Ding, ding, ding.
Hey, Zach just uploaded a video.
Active. What did he upload?
I don't know, I just closed it. It makes it so hard to get into. Yeah.
Oh my god. Oh, yeah, it does.
This crazy ass view up here. New River. Kind of in the horseshoe loop that loops around here in Pembroke. Heck of a spot. I would probably leave it toward the back
Toward the back?
and shift it toward the left
Oh, yeah, because I mean, this.
to give them a little bit of room to get their plumbing back out of here. Excuse me, broom. Heck yeah.
Yes, sir. That's not like directly in line with that, so
let me see where that plumbing stuff out at.
it's like, it's a little bit farther back. That's why I was saying bring it forward a little bit, but. Beautiful, right there.
Something like that?
Yep.
Yeah, I can work with that.
That's all.
We'll just cut that plug out of there, put a 90 in it.
Yep. And come right to it.
Yeah, be a straight shot in there.
Yeah, and then they
Alright,
got a.
190, 1, 2, 3 crimp rings. That'll be it for plumbing.
Yep. Sure enough.
Dude, you got lucky.
Alright.
Alright, and then that, we gotta pop that staple out right there.
Yep.
And then we're going Liquitite on that. And somewhere I gotta come up with a board.
Liquid tight? What's liquid tight?
Might mount a control box here.
Yeah. I mean,
If it'll fit there.
yeah, I mean, if you're a person coming in, then you could literally, instead of having to walk in here and,
Yeah, I'd much rather have it here though. It'd
Or-
be
or
easier to
there.
see. Yeah.
yeah, and be insist.
I can cut a couple of 2x4s. We can screw across there. Yeah. Okay.
Nice.
Alright.
Sit on your freaking couch and just, I want TV. Excuse me. 17? That was exactly 17 to 1. That's like dad did say that for like 10 years. Is that right? Hopefully. Hope you don't. Lord, remind himself. Hi. He said you're going to need to come off a little bit. Looks fluffy to me.
Oh, would you like a crimp? There you go.
Yes, sir.
You just hold them back about 1/8 of an inch off the end of the plate.
Yeah.
Did you hold on for your Duke? Yeah, go ahead. Okay. Go ahead. I'll let you land on your hand. He said, I know what happened last time you said that.
Yeah.
Now go ahead.
Okay.
Oh, son of a bitch. It's such an awkward position.
Yep.
Okay. I don't like that left. I don't like that left. Oh, really cool.
Do.
Dude. How do I get this one?
Which one? The one straight up?
This one here?
See, what I would have done is I would have crimped that. Oh, wow. Yeah, you can start getting those way closer to the end of the pipe.
End of the pipe?
Yes. Okay, so let me check. You're not going to see what I'm about to do.
Okay.
But you will hear.
You breaking it off?
Yeah. These ways, come on. Ah. Say I never have much problems with breaking this thing. Jesus.
Okay.
Ah.
Is that one close enough though?
One thing?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, hold them back about from the end of the pipe.
Oh, like the other one?
Yeah,
I
about
see.
half the width of the.
I see.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah, that's about that blow right part.
And that one, honestly, glad that you did that because I noticed after I was done, it didn't see on there all the way.
Okay. Yeah, a little bit likely.
What did it like crimp it on there?
Okay. Now, whenever you're working back in a hole like this, I would always
Use the ground to your advantage. Nope, never mind.
no.
Okay.
Instead of having two crimps back in there,
Yep.
I would have crimped my 90 on the end of this.
Yep.
Laid out the long pipe this way,
Ah.
and then use that as my measuring device.
Ah, gotcha. Okay.
But since we're in the predicament, we're going to have to grip this one. This way. You might have to go out there and reach through that wall.
I was gonna say I can get in there or something, whichever.
Probably reach through that wall. It's going to be the easiest thing to do.
Get in here.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, so what you got? Please. I'm gonna hit back to it. Start hitting other stuff. Like legs. Beautiful. Exactly 7 inches.
Hold that right there. I'll scoot off real quick.
Okay. Right into the finger.
I mean, I can if you'd like. What do you want, Dave?
I'm found on base.
What do you want, Devin? Huh? Pembroke.
Goodness gracious.
What do you want, Devin? What? I'd slap her right dead in the middle. Well, dead in the middle.
Oh, this? Oh, you said that way.
That's
I
fine.
got it. Thank you.
Here, let me hold this for you.
So you do need
Hold on. Hold on. Just
So you do need 4 sets of hands.
give me a second here.
Oh,
You
yeah.
know how the other one was.
Yeah, that's fair. That's fair.
Oh, now look at that.
Why don't you just look at it?
And this one here. When you're done. Oh, so it wasn't the control boxes, it was the contacts down there.
Manufacturer.
You smash my finger. It's gonna be on.
Ah!
Don't be on.
You want to put 2 or just 1?
All three?
Or all 3, sir?
Oh, ow, oh.
Ah! No. No, let's not use the one for cover. Let's not do that. Actually, I'm having the best this time.
That's right.
I guess I look out the window. Oh, God! Fuck!
Honestly, I've been watching you do shit. Hey, look, buzzard.
What do you fucking know? Must be just a lot of death. You fucker. Sorry, you too. Okay. All right. Sorry, future Mark, for editing all this.
Yeah, you.
Okay. Now, are we gonna have to staple this?
Nope, more like winning it. It's gonna be in conduit anyway.
Sweet. Oh yeah, we got a conduit. Didn't we? Nice.
I need, let me pull this. All this stuff over here.
Zoinks!
Down. Okay, back up into the box. Oh, God. No. Right, get that right there.
Where's the freaking touch? Oh, really?
Laying here.
Oh, there. Man, we got greasy things already.
Oh, wait. I'll be better off grabbing the other, the peppers.
Damn, bring me freaking clams. Bitch, don't even work no more. Good night. That is so impressive.
What is?
Just the way that you keep it in the middle like that and don't cut anything else.
Sometimes it's hard to do.
Yeah. For me, it's all the time. It's hard to do. I would have done cut that other red wire off. I would have done cut into the second wire over there and just left it all up.
I need the patch cutters. It's over there somewhere. There you go.
Now. I guess you need one of these, don't you?
over to you. Okay. Just loop that right back up into that side.
I think so. Oh, shit.
Did you forget to take the nut off of it?
Huh? No? What? Take that off? Oh, I haven't put it on.
Oh, you gotta put it on first.
Wait. Yep. Yes. Yeah, do you need your back?
Yes, mom, still work.
No, that'll be no. Yeah.
Yes, mom, still work.
We got a screwdriver by chance?
Oh, hey, you there? I forgot something. I'll be right back.
Flat and Phillips.
Okay, how about let's go vote?
Okay.
All right, got it.
Go. I was going to say flat for tapping and Phillips for screwing. Yeah, I'll do it. Screw it.
Come on, 10 to 2 and a 3.
What about Devin just called you? Just say I made Samantha mad. So fun.
You don't give a shit.
No. Obviously not. Yeah.
Okay. You got those tracks that are still open. Squeak.
Squeaky.
Oh, got too long.
Oh no.
Just take some off it.
Uh-oh, video.
Still too long. Is this your first day? Oh, yes, it is. Yes, it is.
Yes.
Take rest.
Yes.
Yeah, no, I'm sorry. I'm not letting you do it all hands on.
No, it's fine. I'm just trying to
sorry.
strip this without yeeting my finger off and also yeeting the wire off.
Yes, please don't do that.
Yeah. Which one, the wire or my finger?
The wire.
The
wire can be fixed.
Yes, the wire. You know.
Man, Mark is good.
Oh, I did it. Can you believe it? I just freaking did one. I freaking.
He's gonna break it. Mark broke it. I'll do it. Mark broke it.
Mark, I broke it. Carving this son of a bitch like a damn Thanksgiving turkey.
Dude, we gotta put this connect in.
Oh, do we?
Did you tell me to disconnect?
Yeah, we do.
Can you see the breaker box?
Yes.
No, we don't.
Oh, we don't.
Last night. No, you can see the breaker. You don't need to disconnect.
Oh, okay. So why is that? Just, I guess, for if it, there's an emergency or something?
Yep.
Ah, okay. Precisely. It does not freaking strip out. Easier than I thought. Ow! Let's just punch the wall real quick.
Do me a favor.
Thanks.
Hold that.
All right, right there. Yeet. Ow. My hand hurts. Yeah, Mark, I'll just give you a hand real quick. I'll just
Pull that out straight. So I can.
there it is. It's a boy.
Now we got
A foot.
Oh, Lord.
Got my foot, so.
There you go.
Oh no, fuck. Damn it.
There. Time's up.
Shit. Batter failed.
No, I hit it.
Strike one. Home run. My pleasure, sir. Okay, cool. What's that? This. So my thought is, since there's so much, run it under this and then come loop back around into here.
Yep. Slice.
Watson. Oh, you hell.
You need me to do this?
Yes, sir.
I mean, you don't have to necessarily strip it all the way back.
It's easier to.
As long as you get. As long as you get the end of the wire closed, where you get. What are you doing? Sucking in sawdust?
I guess so.
Yeah. My finger went in there.
Yeah.
Over there.
I'm not freaking calling too much.
Dude, okay, it's for RO. Man, they run this whole house in half inch. No, they did not. Okay, I got it.
I get it. I have that whittly. Sound like Donald
I know.
Trump. Whittly. I have a new bill. It's a great bill.
I like the floor drains out here.
Okay.
Hopefully they go ahead and cut those sill plates right there. Get water somewhere again.
That'd be nice. Okay. That. This off. That here.
Oh, we got more slack? Okay. Yeah, we got much more slack than there. Good thing. These wires up here are way too short.
Oh, are they?
Yeah.
Okay. Dark. All right.
Alright, let's strip this wire back right here real quick.
Yep, yep.
Then you can carry on, carry on.
Treated house bib. Oh, hose bib. Sorry, not house bib.
Yeah, a lot of people don't like their house bibs to be treated.
I don't believe I'm going to be going out tonight.
Oh, jeez. Wow, you tired?
No, I'm going to the gym and I'm going to be home.
Yeah.
Because dude from Academy, he keeps wanting me to go out drinking with him at Sharky's and all this crap and Radford. And I'm not going to do that.
How about?
Not about it. And he's kind of a freaking weirdo. He's the one that's in the reserves I was telling you about.
You heard it here first, folks. He's a weirdo.
Yep. Yep. I'm gonna work. Hey, I got this YouTube channel. You should watch it. 75 photos is absolutely insane, dude. Who the hell will post 75 photos? Okay, let's see. Let's see.
Dude, your hands are like filthy.
Okay, black, red. Yes.
Get in here. Done with this. Done with this. Done with this. Done with this. Right, you got everything I need.
Yep.
Strippers and what screwdrivers?
Does it matter if you go in the top or bottom? Oh, never mind. Sorry. Top. It's the top.
That's all I was saying. You just thought everything would get better.
Good.
God.
Son of a bitch. All right, I need assistance.
Yeah.
Tell me if I'm correct. I have no idea if I'm correct on this.
Yellow, black, red, yeah, brown, yep, yeah. Cool. All right, and then when you get to down here, leave it coming from the breaker box disconnected.
That's the orange, yes.
Yeah, that's that one right there. And then wire that side up, like
Okay.
it's supposed to be. Gotcha. And then I'm gonna work on getting this over to you, so we can run it off the generator, get everything set, pressurized before we leave.
Gotcha. Did you just say Gucci Gucci Goo? Correct me if I'm wrong. I know where the ground goes, but you correct. It doesn't matter where the black or the white goes.
It matters,
Well,
but it doesn't matter what color's on which side.
okay. So it's the.
Remember, look at your lid?
Oh yes, yes.
He said, yes, y'all.
Main L1 L2. So main is straight from the breaker. L1 L2 is from there. Okay. Cool. Shit. I have to cut this. Maybe. Possibly. How do I cut this? Now see why knee pads are a thing. Yeah.
What? What are they thinking?
You know, concrete knees. You know, not the greatest combo.
It's not.
No, not at all. Son of a bitch, do I need to cut more? Possibly. I didn't cut too much. Just be screwed if I did.
We got more.
Alright.
All right, you got 10 minutes, that generator's going hot.
Alright. I got you.
Hey, take you a second. Get this hose up.
Oh, those indicator is not adequate. Okay. All right, tis is done.
Right, now this wire right here,
Yep.
just landed around and everything straight in. Because this is going to be temporary to be coming right back out.
I'll just how you would wire it up anyway.
Yeah.
No. And then we,
What?
and then we hook up the house power, correct?
So, the house power out of the equation for now.
Oh, so they're gonna do it.
Yep, we're going to do it after we test run it.
Oh yeah, that's what I meant.
Yo! What's happening? We still kicking. We get ready to. I want to do it right here. Just run the system up here. Okay. water. Yeah, you do the same, and we'll catch you next week, I guess. Sounds good, have a good one. Bye.
Ready to go, sir.
Okay, ready?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, valve's closed. Water drain is open.
Boiler drain is open. Valve is closed. Yes, yes. Hi.
Chase their plumbing back and make sure they didn't put a valve in it before they come to the floor.
What? Are you talking about going to the HVAC?
No, water not coming in.
Like the one that we plumbed in right here?
Yeah, just follow it back where it comes up to the floor. And make sure they didn't put a valve in there, okay?
Nope, we are good. There it is. It did a quickie clack over here.
Oh, yeah.
Nope.
Three, or two. You got the ball. There it is. Sweet.
Sitting at about 18 PSI.
All right, go ahead and close the boiler drain. Don't get scared now.
Uh, 39. Where you want it at 60?
Yep. Stop, 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 stop. You gotta give time to get up there.
Okay. He said stop, 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 stop.
Still going up?
Slightest bit.
Yeah, probably pretty slow. It's a good sized tank.
Gotcha.
Let me go ahead and make sure my plumbing ain't blowing apart.
Okay. Gotcha. about 62, 63.
Alright, turn your center, actually turn the small screw counterclockwise about a turn. Then open your bolt ring, it's pretty and it's dark.
Oh yeah?
Make sure it cuts back on about 40.
Yep. There it is.
Right at 40.
Yep.
Take your pressure switch cap.
Yep.
Your cap.
Yeah.
And hold your contacts open until all the pressure runs off of it. I'm saying that because it's plastic, so you don't have a risk of getting electrocuted.
Oh, I see.
Hold those open until all the pressure runs off of it. That forces all the air out, just like that.
There it is.
Close your boiler drain. Make sure she cuts off at 60. Put it in this, so we'll just leave the pressure rise. Zip.
Oh, God. Ow.
I actually might let it run for a little bit and see if we put her up. It's pretty dirty.
Okay.
There you go. Slap your lid back there. Might have to push that red bar back up.
Yep.
Inside of there. Without touching anything. Alright.
Yes, sir.
Where's that? Where's that? Where's that? Where?
About 48.
Slow. Yeah. Close.
Close says me.
Sweet.
Is that a hawk?
Hawk.
Yep.
Hawk.
It is.
Sure is.
Yeah.
50, 57, 58.
Cut on at exactly 40.
Do what?
Cut on at exactly 40.
The pressure's at 57 or 58.
Yeah, but I mean it cut on.
Yeah, at exactly 40. Yeah.
Okay. Then adjust your small set screw.
Yep.
2 turns clockwise. Or about 1.5. Pretty good. Said, wait, how'd you do that? I like this shelf right here.
Yeah.
Should have put our tank there.
Yeah, I know, right? Just a little small one. That would have been nice. There it is. Exactly 60.
Alright, turn that bib on and let it rip. There, Jake. Well, let's see if we can clear up a little bit.